Question number 9, HCF, LCM. Okay, we are knowing how to find the factors and multiples, and then also I'll just explain you. Suppose we have to take 4 divided by 36. Okay, now 36 completely goes in 4 how many times? 4 nines are 36. Okay, it means what? That the 4 is the factor of 36. Write it. 4 is the factor of 36, and 36 is the multiple of 9. Is that clear? So here we have understood the concept of factor and multiple. When the number is completely divisible and you get remainder 0, then only it is the factor of the consistent number. Now we have learned with the easy. We have to learn the HCF with the easiest method. HCF means stand for the highest common factor, and LCM stands for lowest common multiple. Okay, now we will take one by one both the terms and explain you how to find out HCF with the prime factorization. Now what is prime factorization? Prime factorization, it's nothing that factorization with the prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. These are all prime numbers. Okay, so the factorization done with the help of the prime numbers are known as the prime factorization. Okay, we'll just take first thing over here is how to find out the first HCF of 45 and 30. Okay, now we will take this number 45 over here. Now this is 5. You know, we have done this divisibility test. We know when the number is 5 in the unit place, means that number is divisible by 5. So this will take 5. 5 nines are 45. Now this is 3. This is 9. So this 9 is divisible by 3. Okay, 3 threes are 9. Okay, and the next one is next number is 30. Now we know 0 is there. It means it is either divisible by 10 or 5 in the unit place, or 2. Okay, 2, 5 and 10. So we'll start with 2. 2 ones are 2. Here it is 3. 2 minus 3 is 1. So 1 over carried over here, it becomes 10. So 5, 2 5s are 10. Now this is 15. Now for 5 over here, the next prime factor number will be 3. Okay, because we know divisibility test for 3. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So this number is divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15. Here 5 is left. So 5 ones are 5. Now here we will write the factors of 45. They are 5, 3, 3. Okay, then factors of 30 are 2, 3, 5. Now we will only take the common factors. What are 5, 5, 3, 3. Now here common factors of 45 and 30 equals to 5, 3. Now we have to find the HCF of 45 and 30. We will multiply these two common factors, that is 5 into 3, 15. So the HCF of 45 and 30 is 5 into 3, that is 15. Understood? Understood? समझ में आया? Yes or no? Okay. Purnima is putting. Okay. Clear everyone? We'll do another one example of this only. HCF. Next is 39 and 20. Find the HCF of 39 and 25. Okay. First we will take what? 39. Now here it is 39. 9 plus 3 is 12. So the 12 is divisible in 3. You should remember the divisibility test what we have done in the lower class. That is very must. Okay. Now because all the base is from the beginning. If you remember that, you can do this. Okay. 3 one time. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. Now 13. 13 is a prime number. It does not have any other factor other than 1. So 13 and we'll put 1. Clear? Okay. Next. 25. 5 5s are 25. Now here. There is no common factor over here. Okay. First we'll write factors of 39. They are 3, 13. Factors of 25 equals to 5, 5. Okay. Now there is no common factor. Is there any common factor? No. So when there is no common factor, we will write HCF of 39 and 25 equals to 1. Clear? समझ में आ गया? समझा? Understood? Children? Okay. Somebody is putting. Another one, we will take one word problem. Okay. So that it will be more clear with the word problem also. We will finish only the concept of, then we will go to the LCM. Okay. Now suppose one problem is there, 2 ropes, one 8 meters long and other the other 12 meters long are to be cut into pieces of the same length. What will the maximum possible length of each piece be? Now see the question, I'll repeat here. The two ropes, one 8 meters long and other 12 meters, are to be cut into pieces of the same length. What will be the maximum possible length of each piece? Maximum means here we have to find the HCF. Now what are the two measurement given over here? That is 8 and 12. So we have to find the HCF of 8 and 12. First we will take 8. Okay, 8 goes in 2 how many times? 4 times. Then again 4 goes in 2 how many times? 2. So 2 ones are 2. Next is 12. Okay, 12 if we say 2. 2 6 are 12. Again 6 goes in 2. How many times? 3 times. Okay, 3 ones are again 3. Now first we will write the factors. We will write it over here. Factors of 8. We are how much? 2, 2, 2. Then factors of 12. That is 2, 2, 3. Correct. Now we will write the common factors of 8 and 12. They are what? 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. So 2 and 2 are the common factor. So what will be the HCF? HCF of 8 and 12 equals to 2 into 2. The common factors we will multiply, we will get 4. That is 4 centimeter. So the length, the maximum, therefore the maximum possible length of each piece will be 4 centimeter. Understood? समझ में आ गया? Any problem? Okay, we will take one more because today we will do only HCF. To next class we will do LCM. Okay. Find HCF of 48 and 54. Okay, we'll take first number 48. Now 8 is there, we know that is it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again you will see the numbers what we are using for finding the factor are all prime. So that is why it is known as prime factorization. And it is the very easiest method by which you can find the HCF, common factors or LCM, anything else. Okay, we have already discussed in LCM. We will be writing the common factors plus the uncommon factors.
Yeah, you can do it.
So 24. So 12, 2, 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again it will go in 2 times 2. 2 6 are 12. Again 2, 2 3s are 6. And 3 1s are 3. The next one 54. Okay. Now here 4 is there in the unit place. It means, please don't talk. 54. 4 is in the unit place. So this will be divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here 1. Then here it will become 2 7s are 14. Now 27 has come. So what we will do? 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. It means this number is divisible by 3. So 3 9s are 27. Now is 3 is there. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now we will write factors of 48. They are 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. Clear? 4 times 2 and 3. Then factors of 54 is equal to 2, 3, 3, 3. We'll write therefore the common factors of 48 and 54. They are, now see, common factor 2 over here, 2 over here, 3 over here, 3 over here, and there is no other common factor. So we'll write 2, 3. Therefore HCF of 48 and 54 equals to 2 into 3, that is 6. Is that clear? Understood?